Top bright colorful parrots. Number 6. Lovebirds. They are available in variety of colors, but they have very short lifespan of 5 years to 12 years. Number 5. Budgies. They have brilliant ability and one of the best colorful birds. They have very short lifespan of 5 years to 10 years. Number 4. Eclectus. Male birds display a vivid green color with red and blue accents, while the female birds have red and blue-purple feathers. The lifespan of these birds is about 30 years. Number 3. Rainbow lorikeet. Rainbow lorikeets are exceptionally beautiful and colorful birds. Blue plumage on face and belly, green on wings, back, and head with red breast, yellow and orange highlights on sides, red beak, gray feet. The lifespan of these birds is about 30 years. Number 2. Sun kana. Sun kana characteristics are bright orange, yellow, and red with highlights of green and blue, black beak and feet, white circles around eyes. The lifespan of these birds is about 20 to 30 years. Number 1. Macaws. Macaws are known for their beautiful colors, bold personalities, and advanced capabilities for mimicking human speech.